what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Moto Gang. Today I have here Porsche 911 Carrera GTS 991. So I need to remove the side mirror and door handle. So first we need to remove door trim, and then okay, 3 cup we have here, one here, one big one here, and then one under the interior door handle. So let's do it together. Some plastic tools like this one to not damage the trim. The second one, grab the door handle like that, and then in the end have this one you can so push it inside and then take it off, and then this cover have the airbag sign on it. One, two, three, four. Okay, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Torque size 30. Most of the Porsche car, when you want to remove the door handle, have something like that hooking the door. Also Volvo is like that, but not like BMW, Mercedes, only the key. So with your hand, do like that, and then door sliding up. This is the hook. Really careful to not break those two. Okay. This is the how I'm talking about those hooks. They are sitting here. Look at here. That's why. Not like the push pin or other key like other car. You just need to slide it up so it's coming out really easy. And then now we have to remove the airbag and then that cover to get the access for the door handle, and then also side mirror. If you remove this cup, you can see the one big bolt here, should be T40 or 45. Okay, and then so I'm gonna stop my video here and then make another video to show you how to remove the door handle and then also side mirror. I hope you guys like my video. Please share it, comment below. I will answer by myself, and then help me more for my future video. See you next time.